Let me show you how to edit and create and control vocabularies. From the Gear menu, let's go to Control Vocabularies. Here, you see a list of all the control vocabularies in your FinSpace environment. These were created as part of the Capital Markets Sample Data Bundle. Let's take a look at what is in the Event Type Control Vocabulary by expanding it like this. The control vocabularies list of acceptable values are now shown. As you can see, there are no descriptions. Let me show you how to fix that by editing the control vocabulary. We are now in edit mode. To add a description for an entry, simply choose the item and enter the description. I can also change the order like this. Okay, let's save these changes. You now see Trades has a description and also appears below quotes. That's all it takes to edit a control vocabulary. To create a new one, choose Create Control Vocabulary here at the top. In this case, we are presented with blanks, one for the control vocabulary's name and another for the first field. Let's call this control vocabulary Compass Points. And we'll add fields for north, south, east, and west. And save it as a new control vocabulary. The last item I want to cover is the I, which enables and disables the control vocabulary. If enabled, it can be used in attribute sense. To enable our compass point, let's just choose the I, and you will see the icon change to be enabled. There you have it. You can now add or edit control vocabularies in your FinSpace environment. Look for more videos in the Discover FinSpace section of your environment. Thank you.